I've done my brows, and this brows is different from what you guys are used to on this channel. So guys, I'm sure you guys are wondering what color of brows I'm having on today. Yes, it's a colored ombre brows. If you are interested, I'm going to be leaving the link in my descriptions. I'm going to be leaving it in the comment section, and I'm going to be leaving it as a card and also as an end screen video on this video. So in case you guys are interested, you definitely want to check that out. It's so detailed. The first step into achieving our cut crease tissue paper eyeshadow application makeup tutorial is the concealer from ZK Cosmetics. So you will blend your primer, your eyeshadow primer, or your concealer to your brow bone. I'm blending it all the way to my brow bone. I'm going to take another tissue paper to pick a lighter shade. Don't forget your promise when the money comes. Don't say I'm not your standard anymore. I go swear for you. These are the colors that we're going to be making with. What I'm going to be doing next is to just go ahead and cut my face. Trips to Paris when we are the things I like. Signs to deliver, baby boy, I'm yours. I go pray for you, baby, with all of my heart. Forever I still get. So I'm just going to set that place. I'm going to go ahead and fix my lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a mascara. So at the outer part of my lashes, I'm going to take it up, wing it up. It's not going to come down. If not, it's going to just make the eye look different. But if I take it up, it's going to go with the wing that with the cut crease that I winged towards my brow. So this part here, when you wing your lashes up, when you take it up, it's still going to be showing the space between the lashes and your own natural lashes. But you want to create an illusion of a lifted outer corner of the eyes. So we want our eyes to look like it's cat eye. So if you want to create something like that, you will lift the end part of your lashes and you will go ahead and use a black gel eyeliner and go into that area to conceal. And so if you are doing a wing eyeliner, you can bring it out from there, but you're not doing a wing eyeliner like what I'm doing here. I'm not doing any eyeliner, so I'm just going to leave it in this part here, and any other side I feel I need to cover. So that's it, guys. Now I'm going to press this. So I'm going to go ahead and pinch my lashes together, to give a uniform look and to not make it look like, just to basically conceal my own natural lashes with the false eyelashes, to press it together so you won't be seeing my natural lashes, sticking out under the false eyelashes. That's the excess of pinching the natural lashes and your false eyelashes together. There with me, as I dare with you. So I'm quickly going to go ahead and do the second eye. I'm going to be right back, guys. Don't go anywhere, guys. Wait for me. So that is it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.